and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you a mega enabler alert, and it's happening at Heartfelt Creations. Now today I received an email about 40% off their classic wedding collection, and if you haven't seen these papers, I highly encourage you to go check them out. These are beautiful pastel papers, and what I want to point out to you is this pack right here. For $40.20, not only do you get the classic wedding paper pad collection, but you also get this set of stamp and dies. Now, if you haven't used my coupon as of yet, go ahead and click on my affiliate link down below, because with it you'll be able to take an additional $20 off this price right here. So for less than the price of a Heartfelt Creations paper pad, you'll be able to walk away with this pack right along here. And that $20 off coupon is good for your purchase of $40 or more, and that is for a first time purchase. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing is I think I'm not going to get this particular set, but what I am eyeing is I'm definitely going to get the paper pad, and I'm definitely going to get my Classic Rose 3D mold stamp and die bundle, because I've worked with a previous Heartfelt Creations mold and I absolutely love it. And I'm also thinking about getting this right here. I don't know, it may just be these two items, or it may be these three items. It all depends on how I'm gonna budget myself. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and point this deal out to you in case you're in the market for some beautiful Heartfelt Creations paper pads, stamps, and dies, and want to lock in on that $20 savings. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.